9 people, including 3 railway officials, have died and 32 people have been injured after an express train collided with a goods train in Darjeeling district of West Bengal on Monday morning. Now, Kanchenjunga Express was travelling from Agartala in Tripura to Sealdah in Kolkata when a goods train had hit it from behind in the Rangapani station close to Jalpaiguri. I beg your pardon. Now, while a probe is still underway, railways are saying that they suspect a human error. My colleague Vedant reports from the North Bengal Hospital Medical College. Listen in.
I come to you from the North Bengal Medical College, which is about a kilometer away from the accident spot where the Kanchenjunga train tragedy happened yesterday. In fact, a special desk has been set up here at this particular hospital as well. A lot of relatives of victims coming and inquiring about the situation. Remember, nearly 38 people have been admitted to this particular hospital. In fact, what we are being told is that 8 people are critically injured. Remember, 10 people have died. In fact, one of the injured was just declared dead a short while back here at the North Bengal Medical College. In fact, I am being joined by one such relative, whose brother-in-law, in fact, is admitted here to this particular hospital. Sir, अपना नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम मंटू कुमार दास.
मोंटू कुमार जी, ये बताइए कि आपके यहाँ पर भाई साहब एडमिटेड हैं, क्या सिचुएशन है अभी, उनकी किस तरीके की चोटें आई थी कल जब आपको पता चला है?
उसका पैर में बहुत जोर चोट आया, अभी भी आईसीयू में भर्ती है. अभी थोड़ा बात हुआ तो बात कर रहा है, लेकिन अभी तो आईसीयू में है.
क्या नाम है उनका?
मनोज कुमार दास.
मनोज कुमार दास जी थे. उनकी फैमिली भी होगी, उनकी अपनी
फैमिली है. बच्चे नहीं है, अभी नया शादी किया है
जी.
घर में बीवी भी है, माँ बाबा है
जी. सरकार की तरफ से मुआवजे की भी घोषणा हुई है कि मुआवजा दिया जाएगा. जो भी फैमिलीज इनके जो घायल हुए उनको कुछ पैसे दिए जाएंगे. आपको लगता है कि ये काफ़ी है कि सरकार अनाउंस कर देती है जब भी कुछ इस तरीके का एक्सीडेंट होता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें ज़रूरत है कि हमारा जो रेलवे नेटवर्क है वो और स्ट्रांग हो, क्योंकि कल जिस तरीके का एक्सीडेंट हुआ मासूम लोगों की मौत भी हुई.
एक्चुअली उसमें बारे में हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते हैं
जी.
हाँ, हम अभी चिंतित है. मेरा ब्रदर इन लॉ सुस्त हो जाए, यही मेरा कामना है.
Thank you very much हमसे बात करने के लिए. So there are a lot of relatives coming. In fact, another such relative of a victim is with us as well. सर, आपके भी यहाँ पर relative admitted हैं, क्या सिचुएशन है अभी उनकी?
अभी मेरे जीजा जी यहाँ पे एडमिटेड है. अभी सिचुएशन स्टेबल है अभी. ठीक है, तो हम लोग कल रात को 3 बजे हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचे. सो बाई कार हम लोग आए हैं, उनके बेटे और हम. तो अभी कल के थ्रू या डेफिनेटली सो कल के थ्रू अभी सिचुएशन स्टेबल है.
एक सवाल ये कि आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अब रेलवेज को और सतर्क हो जाना चाहिए? इस तरीके के एक्सीडेंट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रहे हैं. लास्ट ईयर उड़ीसा में इसी तरीके का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, यहाँ पर कल इतने सारे लोग घायल हो गए, 9 लोगों की मौत भी हो गई.
डेफिनेटली थोड़ा तो अभी कॉशियस तो होना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, पर ये नहीं, अभी ये टाइम नहीं है कि मतलब कोई एक दूसरे को कोई मतलब ब्लेम करे. सो अभी टाइम है. मतलब यहाँ पे जो रेलवेज मतलब ये फुल ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है, और सिलीगुड़ी जो कॉलेज है आपका, तो वहाँ पे बहुत मतलब ये हो रहा है आपका, मतलब कोऑपरेटिव कर रहा है
जी.
तो
Thank you very much हमसे बात करने के लिए, and we sincerely hope your relatives get better soon. So here, of course, there's outrage and anger, but of course the focus really right now is for them to sort of make sure that their relatives get better soon. Many of them critically injured. Remember, the investigation, of course, is what is the focus also right now. We have, by way of sources, confirmed that it was in fact a failure of the automated signal system. As far as that railway track was concerned, it was manual signal that was triggered soon after. So of course all those questions being raised, whether our systems, basic safety systems, whether they're as robust as we believe they are or not. But here at the hospital there's anxiety, outrage and anger. At Rangapani with my camera person Kanan Patra, Vedant for NDTV.
Now, the Railway Board's initial report revealed that the goods train operating under a defective automatic signalling system was travelling above speed limits when it crashed into the Kanchenjunga Express. Vedant was at the Rangapani station where the incident took place. He sent us this report earlier on what the railway officials had to say.
The Northeast Frontier Railway inspection car is currently at the spot checking the tracks before they become operational. In fact, electricity, as you can see in those pictures there, is being restored by the officials. This has been a Herculean task. The rescue and restoration work has been going on for the past 24 hours. The accident took place at 8:55 a.m. Yesterday. Now, quickly coming to this document, it's a very important document because that written authority, in a sense, authorizes trains to cross automated signals upon the failure of the automated signal interlocking system. Now, the automated signal interlocking system is key to the movement of trains on railway tracks, and what we are being told is that at around 6 a.m. yesterday there was a thunderstorm. In fact, it's still raining, but yesterday there was a thunderstorm after which the automated signal system failed, and at 8:55 a.m. is when this accident took place. Now, when the automated signal system fails, the protocol is that this written authority is issued to trains that they can cross the automated signal system, the automated signals, because the signal system has failed. So essentially a manual signal system was triggered soon after the automated signal system failed. Now, an important caveat here, however, is that when this written authority is given, there is a permissible limit which is in place. In fact, the trains have to maintain a distance of about 150 meters. So now these two conditions, what we are being told via railway sources, was not followed by the goods train, which is why it rammed into the Kanchenjunga Express.